Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Explorer. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You will need a 15mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure you have about 6 quarts of the correct new engine oil and a new oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands and wear protective gloves throughout the process. Now that your vehicle is safely elevated, it's time to drain the old oil. Look for the oil drain plug, typically a bolt on the lowest part of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your 15mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain for at least 10 to 15 minutes to ensure all the old oil is out. With the old oil drained, let's replace the filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, remembering there might be a little residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Finally, reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's tight but not over-tightened. Now for the fresh oil. Using a funnel, carefully pour approximately 6 quarts of the correct new engine oil into the oil fill port. Once added, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level using the dipstick. It should be between the add and full marks. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and recheck the dipstick. Finally, inspect for any leaks and remember to properly recycle your old oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.